Welcome to Marketecture's Justify Your Existence, where we ask early stage ad tech and martech startups to tell us why we should care about what they are building. Today we have Chris Golek from Channel99. Thanks for being here, Chris.
Thanks for having me, Ari.
So, give us the basics. What is Channel99? How big is it in terms of like employees and where it's based, and whether you've raised any money?
Sure. So Channel 99 is based in the Bay Area of San Francisco, although we have engineers in Seattle and Utah. We are focused on the B2B sector, providing a measurement platform for all things digital in marketing.
Great. So now you have a background in B2B, right?
Yep, this is my third journey, Ari. As you know, we work closely together. I founded DemandBase back in 2006, and helped pioneer the ABM category. And one of the things I just saw frustrating for marketers was there was no single source of truth to measure all their different ad programs and other things. And so that's one of the problems we wanted to solve with Channel 99.
All right. So your customer is the B2B marketing exec. Is that right?
Yeah, we kind of have two sides. There's the marketing ops person, but we've just introduced this new view through technology that all digital marketers love and need to get their hands on because we're providing a lot more transparency and clarity into what's really working and what's not on a kind of a apples to apples basis.
All right, so take me through the use case. Who uses it and what do they get out of it?
Yeah, sure. So let's just take the kind of this view through technology that I mentioned. So in the B2C world, as you know, there are companies like IAS and Double Verify. In B2B, that doesn't really exist. And so we've introduced this, call it a universal pixel that you can put into ads, into content syndication, emails, et cetera. And we're able to show customers what percentage of the people seeing those ads are from the target accounts that they're intended to reach. And we have another level of economics and deals that are impacted. And so there's a level of attribution there that they can't really get from anyplace else.
Right, so the customer has effectively a target list, an ABM style target list of thousands of potential accounts they want to get into, and instead of their campaigns showing clicks and conversions, you're showing them where and which of the accounts they reached in different parts of the funnel.
That's right. And what we're also uncovering is the impact that a lot of digital ads have even on search and email and other programs. And we all know this to be true as marketers, but there's really hasn't been really good evidence in the past. And so we help reveal that. And we're taking in spend data and pipeline data, web traffic, and of course, all the activity that's happening off your website and putting that all together.
So this pixel goes in as many media as possible, including search.
Exactly.
We can't do search, but you can do search landing pages and social.
Exactly. We started off with the intent of, ads, but now people are placing them into, white papers and email signatures, of course, videos coming, and the results, the millions of impressions is just really taking off for us.
So how do you do that? Like, what sort of graph do you have that allows you to do that?
Well, pixel technology on its own is relatively simple. To do it at scale in the billions becomes obviously more difficult. But customers can create these pixels for any specific vendor or channel or audience. What's unique is we built our own identity engine using kind of the best of from all the different IP to account players out there, from ABM companies to the Clearbits of the world and other types of businesses.
Right. How will that be affected by cookie deprecation later in 2024?
The beauty of this is we we are not tracking users. We don't use cookies, so our ability to get approved across all these platforms is it's pretty streamlined because we're not trying to build our own audiences and we're not tracking users. So it's a very clean method.
And you're not selling media, right? This is an analytics only solution.
Nope, nope. So I mean, we our stated mission is to be the unbiased source of truth, and so to have that position, you really can't be also selling media.
Right. So and that's the distinction from demand base to some extent. Right? Demand base allows you to buy ads.
Well, that's right. And the challenge customers have, and I know it's just simple math, but like if if you pay more for demand base or LinkedIn and Microsoft or Google are a lot cheaper, the difference is in the targeting efficiency. and the reach and engagement to really get an apples to apples comparison. It's just really hard for customers to be able to do that on their own. And so we make that super simple.
Right. What's your pricing model?
Yeah, we have a very, low level free to get started. We give away, a million impressions measured in usage. And then if people can either choose to adopt the platform where you connect the CRM, that's 15K a year flat. And then to use the pixels, it's basically a CPM basis, depending on how many impressions that you want to use it for.
So I could go to channel99.com right now and sign up and get up to 1,000,000 impressions without talking to a salesperson or anything.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool. So you heard it here first. Uh,
It's funny how people love that.
everyone likes something free. Try it out. All right, last question. If your company was an animal, what animal would it be?
Interesting. I like cheetahs. They're fast, and sleek.
All right, cheetah. That's pretty good. We get a lot of lions and tigers. I'm glad to hear a cheetah every once in a while. All right, Chris, you did a great
They're
job.
hard to catch.
Chris, you justified your existence. Channel 99 free offer on the website. Thanks for being here.
All right. Thank you. All right.